Hey class of 2026, this is Mrs. Niederklein. I wanted to walk you through the course selections for next year. First thing you'll do, is you will log into your PowerSchool, and over on the left there will be a section for class registration. I'm on a fake student account right now, so I may not have the exact same access that you do for everything. First thing you'll do is look at sophomore English, and you have a notepad over here, but everyone is taking English too, so you don't have to worry about that. Next thing is math. So you either choose basic geometry or geometry, depending on which path that you're in. You'll make that selection. You can only choose one, and then OK, select that. Social studies. You are not required to have a social studies class during your sophomore year if you took world history your freshman year. Some of you guys were not in world history, so you would need to select that. If you were in world history but you wanted one of those classes, then you would go ahead and click those classes that you would want as well. And OK. Next is science. You have two choices. You must take earth science, but you can also take biology 2. Biology 2 is a prerequisite if you want to take A&P, either your junior or senior year. It counts as an elective credit, but it is a prerequisite for that science class. So you may select both of them, or you may select just earth science. Next section is fine arts. So if you were in Art 1 this year and want to take Art 2, notice I don't have that available, but if you successfully completed Art 1, then you would be able to take Art 2. Band, debate, forensics, vocal, all of those are on there as well. Then your electives. This is where your pink or your yellow sheet is going to come into play very, very handy. So first thing to note is everything is arranged alphabetically according to the course name. So if you're looking for baking and pastry, it's going to be closer to the beginning. If you're looking for weights, it's going to be at the end. So toggle down here between those page numbers, and then you will click on those classes that you are wanting to take as your electives. These are going to be numbers like 1 through 4 on your yellow sheet. So that way you can see exactly what it is that you want. Please note on this that academic enrichment, you must have permission from Mrs. Hanson and myself to go into that class. And basic skills, you must have permission as well for that. And your seminar teachers will help you out. If you're wanting to take Spanish, if you're wanting to take anything like that, those will be on there as well. Remember, toggle through your page numbers. It's alphabetical. So you will make your elective selections, and you will also make your alternate. These are the same list of classes. So this is going to be numbers 5, 6, and 7. So you will go through, look through those same classes, and do numbers 5, 6, and 7. I am just clicking on some classes here. So that way I'm full and OK. Notice down at the bottom, it will say requires between 5 and 10 hours, and I'm currently requesting 3.5. So that is not going to take. I will get that fixed before you go to submit. But you do have to click on the final submit button right here. Once you have done that, then your course selections can be uploaded and we can get rolling on your schedule. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.